Okay, today I have the Startrc Avata 360 case that I just received. It comes with a couple things. It comes with the strap. You want to put the strap on the case. It comes with a instruction card that gives you suggestions on what some of the pouches might be for. It's in English and in Chinese. Let's go ahead and open this up. So, I love the way it opens. I've got several Startrc cases already. And let me show you the contents real quick. The contents is, and I've already assembled this. I have the actual drone here. Underneath the drone is the RC controller. And you can leave the sticks on, which is kind of nice. Leave the sticks on and the RC and the drone fits nicely in there. You've got your goggles, a spot for your goggles right here. Okay. And again, fits nice and snug. You've got your battery charger here where it fits in there nicely. I just happen to have a battery here. I could probably put two more here. Battery here as well. And then your charging port for all the accessories would go here. And you've got your motion controller on the very end here. So I really like the way this all fits in here. It's water resistant, waterproof. Closes up nicely. You've got a seal, vacuum seal here. Love the RC cases. They're nice and rugged and durable. One thing I would like to see is maybe being able to fit the landing pad and accessories in there. I might be able to figure that out. Maybe pick some spots and see. But there you have it. Have a great day.